Hello guys, Ask Alex. Today we're gonna see a one-room schoolhouse. Also an Indiana Jones bridge. Also an Ask Alex adventure pack button.
It's adventures and fun everywhere he goes. It's time for Ask Alex. Let's start the show.
That way. Look, Sherbert, we made it to the schoolhouse.
What? Let me see. Wow! It's bigger than I thought. What's it called?
I don't know. It's called a one-room schoolhouse.
We do that too.
Yeah. It's called
A one-room schoolhouse?
Yeah.
So how many classrooms did it have?
One.
One? You mean I would go to school with my little sister?
Mm-hmm.
Can we go outside? No! Why not?
And it's locked and we can't go inside.
Oh, it's a museum!
Yep.
Okay. Well, can we go on a hike some more?
Yeah.
Yeah! Let me climb on. Ready? We're not walking. You're just dancing funny. There's something on your ear. Got it!
Yeah.
So you go number one in one of them and number two in the other one? Why do you go number three?
What is number 3?
I don't know. What's number two? Yeah, I got poopy right here.
Ew.
Let's go hiking.
Yeah. Look, Sherbert, this is our first bridge. Pretty cool.
Water? Wow.
It's a little rusted, but I think it'll hold up. Hopefully. Look, a fork in the road.
What? Why is it a fork? Is it a fork because it's gonna eat us? It's gonna eat us. It's got a fork.
No, a fork is where there's 2 paths.
2 paths?
Mhm.
Oh, I see. So it divides like a fork. Like when I divide up my mashed potatoes and roast beef.
Yep.
Oh. Is that gonna eat us?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure. Sherbert fell asleep. On your left, you will see nature, and on your right, you will see nature.
What's nature? It sounds scary.
Nature is like plants.
Plants are talking to me. It's because I stepped on them. Is he okay? Oh, is he gonna come get us? I don't know. I'm so scared.
No, it's not gonna come and get us.
What's the noise? The chirping?
Birds?
Birds? Birds live in nature?
Yep.
Oh, there's birds all around us.
Almost everybody lives in nature.
Everybody loves nature. Is that why we're out hiking? Because we love nature?
Yeah.
Thanks for taking me on this hike.
You're welcome.
Alex, where are we today?
We're at the Kansas Museum of History Trail.
The Kansas Museum Nature Trail?
Yeah.
Let's go! We're not while. You're just making funny movements. Do you have to go potty?
No?
You should always go potty before you go on a nature hike. Did you bring some water? Because I'm thirsty. I have dry mouth. My lips hurt too. Did you have some chapstick?
No.
Chapstick? Did you bring any chapstick?
No.
Did you bring any chapstick? No chapstick, no water. I'm gonna die. Ah! Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Wait! Walk slow.
Okay, I will.
Oh, no, that way. I want to hide.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Wait! I'm not ready. Okay. I'll close my eyes. I can't breathe in here. It smells like beef sticks and socks. Are you a Cub Scout?
Yeah?
That's why I smell the beef sticks. What about the socks? You have socks?
No?
The socks are in here. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, hold on.
We're working on the Indiana Jones Bridge. I'm pretty scared, sort of. Oh, this is lovely, as always, because isn't this lovely? Oh, there's even a monarch butterfly. You see that big giant root of the tree right there. Yeah, go very slow, very slow, very slow.
Are we there?
Yeah, we made it.
Wait! What is that shiny thing at the top of the hill?
You mean those?
Yeah! What are those? Wait, walk up there and go see.
Sure.
Okay.
Me too.
Well, what?
It's an Ask Alex Adventure Pack button!
What did you get? My turn first.
It's
Okay, your turn. Okay, my turn. Okay.
It's an Ask Alex Adventure Pack button!
An adventure pack button! What's the button for?
It's for putting on your backpack.
Oh, to put on your backpack!
Yeah, we get it. We get it by completing an adventure.
Did we just complete an adventure?
Yep.
I feel so adventurous! So how can everybody else get one?
By completing your adventure.
All right, pause.
How does everybody else get one of these adventure pack buttons?
You take a picture on this awesome trail, aka adventure.
Oh, is
And
this
we-
trail here the Kansas Museum of History and Nature Trail?
Yep.
Wow!
And we will email you and give you one of these awesome, cool Ask Alex Adventure Pack buttons.
Adventure pack buttons! So they'll tag us on Facebook or YouTube with their own picture on the trail, and then we'll message them for details on how to mail it?
Yep.
Wow! I love Ask Alex!
Yeah.
But I'm still scared of nature. I'm glad you're with me. Let's have some beef sticks and water. Oh boy. I was your socks.
Remember, show your own adventure and you can get your own adventure pack button. I go to water.